Hello everyone, Sanskriti Jain this side from Case 23. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be exploring UV visible spectrophotometry, a widely used technique in the analytical chemistry and forensic science. Let's get started. UV visible spectrophotometry is a technique used to measure the absorption of ultraviolet and visible light by a chemical substance. When light passes through a solution, some wavelengths are absorbed while others pass through. This absorption gives us valuable information about the concentration and identity of the substance in the sample. This technique is based on the Beer-Lambert's law, which says the higher the concentration, the more light the solution will absorb. That is, A is equal to epsilon into C into L, where A is the absorbance, epsilon is the molar absorptivity, C is the concentration of the solution, and L is the path length of the cuvette. Now let's look at the components of the UV visible spectrophotometer. First, light source. A deuterium lamp for UV and a tungsten lamp for visible light. Second is monochromator, splits the light into individual wavelength using prism or diffraction gratings. Sample holder, usually quartz or glass, are used depending on the wavelength. Fourth is the detector, detects the amount of light passes through the sample. Display system shows the absorbance or transmittance reading. Now, let's go through the general steps in using a UV visible spectrophotometer. First, prepare your sample solution. Make sure it's clear and free from bubbles or particles. Second, select the wavelength, usually at the lambda max. Third, calibrate with a blank solution. This helps to eliminate the solvent background. Next, place the sample in a cuvette. Wipe the outside to keep it clean. Next, record the absorbance and compare it with a standard curve if needed. The applications of UV visible spectrophotometry is pharmaceutical industry, biotechnology, and forensic science. All these are important points about UV visible spectrophotometry. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more science videos. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much.